In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your bank details on the Wise app so you can receive payments or share your account information. Let's get into it. Open the Wise app on your phone and log into your account. On the home screen, you'll see a list of all the currencies you have in your Wise account. Tap on the currency you want to check the bank details for. For example, if you want to see your US dollar account details, tap on USD. If you want to see your Euro account details, tap on EUR. Once you tap on the currency, you'll see the balance and a button that says Manage or Account Details. Tap on it. Now you'll see all your bank account information on the screen. This includes your account number, routing number for ACH and wire transfers if it's USD, IBAN if it's EUR, sort code if it's GBP, and any other details specific to that currency. If you want to share these details with someone who needs to pay you, just tap the Share button at the top or bottom of the screen. This will let you copy the details or send them directly through email, messaging apps, or however you prefer. You can also see the details for multiple currencies. Just go back to the home screen, tap on a different currency, and view those account details the same way. If you don't see account details for a specific currency yet, it means you haven't activated them. Just tap Get Account Details, follow the setup steps, and Wise will generate your account information for that currency. One important thing, your Wise account details are unique to you, so don't share them publicly or with people you don't trust. Only share them with people or companies that need to send you money. And that's it. That's how to check your bank details on the Wise app. Now you can easily find your account number, routing number, IBAN, or any other information you need to receive payments. If this video helped you out, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to Learn Mode Lab so you don't miss more tutorials like this.